नमस्कार मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. Hello friends. In today's video we will learn about animals. Do you know about animals? Have you seen animals around you as dog, cat, in television, lion, tiger? Yes, like these. We will learn about these animals, the name of these animals, where they lived, what do they eat, and so more. So, we'll start learning about animals. So, the first animal is this. This is dog. D for dog. Have you seen dog? Yes. Dog is a pet animal. Dog is man's best friend. And dog protects our house and ourselves too. Dogs like to eat bones and meals. Dog loves to eat bones. This is dog. Next animal is this. This is cat. C for cat. Cat is also a pet animal. Many people keep cat as a pet. Cat loves to eat rats. Cat kill rats and eat. This is cat. Next is this. This is elephant. E for elephant. Elephant is a very big animal and it is largest living animal on the land. Elephant has a very long trunk and male elephant have two big teeth. Elephant likes to eat grass and sugarcane. This is elephant. Next is this. This is monkey. M for monkey. Monkey lives in jungle and monkey lives on trees with their families. Monkey can jump very high and monkey is a very naughty animal. Monkey eats fruits and leaves. Monkey loves to eat banana. This is monkey. Monkey is a wild animal. It lives in jungle. Next is this. This is cow. C for cow. Have you seen cow? Cow is also a pet animal. Cow gives us milk and we should drink milk. Milk helps us to become more strong. And cow gives us milk. Cow eats grass. This is cow. Now, this is goat. G for goat. This is goat. Goat gives us milk and meat. Yes, kids. Goat also gives us milk and also meat. This is goat. This is deer. D for deer. Deer is a very beautiful animal. Deer runs very fast. This is deer. Next is this. This is horse. H for horse. Horses run very fast. Horses run very fast. And in earlier days, horses were only mode of transport. Yes, horses helps us in earlier days to go somewhere. This is horse. This is zebra. Z for zebra. Zebra is a member of cat family, and zebra has white and black strings on their full body. Yes, this is zebra. This is sheep. S for sheep. Sheep gives us meat and wool. We get meat and wool from the sheep. This is sheep. Now this is rabbit. R for rabbit. Rabbit is a very beautiful animal. Rabbit runs very fast. Rabbit eats grass and carrot. Rabbit loves to eat carrot. This is donkey. D for donkey. Donkey helps us by carrying load on their back. This is donkey. Now, this is giraffe. This is giraffe. G for giraffe. Giraffe has a very long neck, and giraffe is the tallest animal. This is giraffe. This is camel. C for camel. Camel is a desert animal. C for camel. Camel is called ship of the desert. People load their luggage on camel's back and travel. Also, people sit and travel on camel's back. This is camel. Now, this is tiger. Yes, T for tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. Tiger lives in jungle. Tiger is a big animal from the cat family. And do you know, tiger is a national animal. This is tiger. Now, this is lion. L for lion. Lion is called the king of jungle. Lion is a wild animal and it lives in jungle. This is lion. Now we have learned some animals' name and about them. Now I will show you some pictures and you will tell me the name of them. Okay? So let's start. First is this. What is this? What's the name of this animal? Yes, dog. This is dog. This is zebra. Yes. This is deer. This is rabbit. R for rabbit. This is camel. C for camel. This is cat. C for cat. Now, what is this? Do you know the name of this animal? Yes, come on, tell me. Yes, horse. This is horse. Now, tell me the name of this animal. This is cow. Cow gives us milk. Now, which animal is this? This is a national animal. Yes, tiger. This is tiger. Now, which animal is this? This is rabbit. Rabbit runs very fast. With this, we have learned animals' name. We'll end today's video here. Now, you have to learn these animals' name and recognize them.